Hello students, myself Mrs. Harsha Jhope from Praveen Patil Polytechnic, Bhayindar. Today we are going to study Chapter 1 Part 2. Learning outcomes of these videos are: after watching this video, you will be able to know about what do you mean by graphics mode and graphics mode functions. What are the basic graphic mode function? Graphics mode functions for shape, graphics mode functions for colors. In last video, we have studied about Introduction to Computer Graphics. We have studied computer graphics is nothing but the graphics means images and graphs that are drawn with the help of computer. Second point, we have studied object and image. An image is basically representation of real world object on a computer. The next we have studied what is pixel and resolution. Pixel stands for picture element. A pixel is the smallest piece of information in an image. Resolution. In computers, display resolution is the number of pixels contained on a display monitor. And next, we have started the text mode and graphics mode. These are the two modes of the graphics. One is the text mode and second is the graphics mode. In last video, we have studied about the text mode. We have seen that text mode graphic functions are window, put ch, clr scr, go to xy, puts. In text mode, a display screen is divided into rows and columns or boxes. We have seen that there are basically two types of graphics mode, namely text mode and graphics mode. Then let's study the graphic mode. Graphic mode is a computer display mode that displays an image using pixel. In graphics mode, the display screen is treated as an array of pixels. Programs that run in graphics mode. In graphic mode, we can display different effective text as well as we can draw different graphical figures. By default, system is in text mode, but if we want to draw some graphical figure or some images, then we have to work in graphic mode. In that condition, we will switch from text mode to the graphical mode. Then let's start the basic graphics mode function. First is a init graph. Init graph, it is used to initialize the graphic mode. Means we have seen that by default our system is in text mode. Then to go to the graphic mode, to draw the images, to draw the graphs, we have to switch. For that init graph, this function is used. It is used to initialize the graphic mode. Syntax is init graph in round bracket int space driver comma int mode comma char path round bracket complete semicolon. In this syntax, driver, this argument specifies the graphics driver to be used and it interface with the display adapter. Some of available graphics drivers are CGA, EGA, etc. Second, we have seen in syntax that is a mode. Mode, in each graphic adapter can use several different possible graphics mode. The mode argument is used to select particular mode. The next argument in init graph graphics mode function, that is a path. Path, it specifies path to graphics driver. Graphs drivers are files with BGI file extension supplies as part of Turbo C++. The path name is string, therefore must be surrounded by the quotes. You can see that the path is mentioned. Like in double quote, we have written C colon backslash TC backslash BGI. The next graphic function is a close graph. Close graph, it is used to close graphics mode. When you exit from graphics mode, you should restore the system to the previous display mode. Close graph function restores the previous display mode. If you do not use this function and still you exit from graphics mode, system gives some undesirable effect such as loss of cursor or opsign characters. Syntax is close graph, open parenthesis and close parenthesis. The next we will study some graphics mode functions for shape. Means these are the graphic mode functions. By using these, we can draw particular shape. First is the line to function. The line to function, this command draws a line on screen from current cursor position to the XY position mentioned in command. Syntax is given line to in round bracket X coordinate comma Y coordinate. In the diagram, you can see that current position of cursor, that is 100 comma 100, and by using the line to function, line to in bracket 500 comma 250, the line will draw from this current position of cursor to 500 comma 250 point. Second function is line. This command draws a line on a screen. As shown, the syntax is line in bracket x1 comma y1 comma x2 comma y2. Down bracket complete semicolon. Where x1 y1 are coordinates of starting point of line and x2 y2 are coordinates of end point of line. Example is shown. I have taken a line function, line in bracket 10 comma 10 comma 100 comma 100. Here x1 value is 10, y1 value is 10, x2 value is 100 and y2 value is 100. This x1, these are the x1, y1. This is our point 1. This is a 10 comma 10, and then we are drawing a line from this point to 100 comma 100. The next graphics mode function is a circle and rectangle. Syntax to draw a circle is circle in bracket x comma y comma r, round bracket complete, and then semicolon. This function draws a circle. As shown, you can see that circle in bracket 10 comma 10 comma 5. Here 10 comma 10, these are the point. This is a point and 5 is the radius of a circle. The next is a rectangle. This command draws a rectangle on a screen. Syntax is rectangle in bracket x1 comma y1 comma x2 comma y2, round bracket complete semicolon. Where x1 comma y1, these are the coordinates of top left corner point of rectangle, and x2 comma y2 are the coordinates of bottom right corner point of the rectangle. For example, rectangle in bracket 10 comma 10, these are the this point, and then 100 comma 100, these are the this point. Okay. The next graphics mode function is ellipse. It draws an ellipse on screen. Syntax is ellipse in bracket x comma y comma start comma end comma x rad comma y rad, round bracket complete semicolon. Where x and y are the coordinates of central point, start and end. These are the starting and ending angle of an ellipse. X rad and y rad, these are the x-axis and y-axis radius respectively. For full ellipse, the start and end should be 0 and 360, else it will draw an error on the screen. As shown in example, you can see how the ellipse is drawn. The next graphic mode function is draw poly. It draws outline of polygon having specified number of sides. Syntax is draw poly in round bracket n comma array round bracket complete semicolon, where n is the number of vertices of a polygon plus 1. Array is integer array name which store coordinates of vertices of a polygon. For example, to draw a triangle with draw poly, as shown on the screen, the syntax is draw poly in round bracket 4 comma m round bracket complete, where we have taken int m in rectangular bracket 8 equals to the coordinates. This is the array of the variable m. M is array which store coordinates of vertices of a triangle. The next is graphics mode functions for colors. First is the set color. Syntax is set color in round bracket color round bracket complete semicolon, where color is either color constant or color name specified. For example, set color in round bracket red round bracket complete semicolon. Then line in round bracket 10, 10, 100, 100 round bracket complete semicolon. It will draw a line in red color. If it is line first and then set color, it will not draw a line in red color. First, you should write set color command and then you should write the line command. Then the function will execute. The next is set fill style. It is a graphics mode function for color. This command decides the filling pattern and the filling color, but it do not actually fill. Syntax is set fill style in round bracket pattern comma color round bracket complete and then semicolon, where pattern can be either pattern constant or pattern name. These pattern constant are given in the table, pattern constant and the pattern name. Next is the set style graphics mode function. It specifies the thickness of the line to be drawn. These styles are not used for the circles. Syntax is set style in round bracket line style comma user defined style round bracket complete semicolon, where the line style gives different symbols of a line as shown in the table 1, and the user defined style is a user defined style and if ignored set to 0. Line width is thickness of line as given below. In the example, you can see set line style in bracket 2, 0, 3 round bracket complete semicolon, and that will draw the line as shown in the slide. The next is fill poly command. This command draws any polygon with n number of vertices and then fills it with current set fill style. Syntax is fill poly in round bracket n comma array, where n is number of vertices of a polygon plus 1. Array is an integer array name which store coordinates of vertices of a polygon. Today we have studied about graphics mode and graphics mode function. Basic graphics mode functions are init graph and close graph. Graphics mode function for shapes are line to line, circle, rectangle and ellipse and draw poly. Graphics mode function for colors are set color, set fill style, set line style and fill poly. Okay, today we have studied about the graphics mode function. Thank you for watching this video.